We have our clown here that we made. We have him all painted. Everything's working good. So we're going to put our wig on him. We've attached the back of the head. So we got it all back together. Everything's working good. So now we can go ahead and do our wig. And then with our body, we did our feet with his colors. And also the hands with his colors. So we're going to put this on these will go on the body. So we get this attached and we'll just comb it out some. So we staple this on. That way if we have to take it apart to get to the inside, you just pop the staples off. You unscrew the 2 screws that are holding the back on. And then you can get inside if you have to ever make repairs or anything. So we'll go ahead and get this stapled on. We'll comb it out. We'll get the hands and feet attached to the body, and then we'll be ready to dress him and put him on. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.